video, I'll explain you how to create telemedicine patient's evaluation form. First, you need to click Add-on, Copy Form, and Load Form Template. You can just search telemedicine patient, and after you found it, click Load Selected Template. Just check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, click Copy Form and then click Get Link. Just click Continue and choose your account, and click Advanced, and then go to Copy Form, and then click Allow. After you get the link like this, you can copy it and just paste it into your search engine, so the form is now ready to use. You can also edit the form in the questions type. For example, I want to add the new row, insert one above, so I change the question type into text and the questions name like this, and delete the option, so it will be shown like this. Or you can also add the date like this and change the questions into date. So the audience can easily pick the date from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't need it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. And you can also change the background color of your form from white into pink like this, so it will change instantly. Thank you.